Today I'm reviewing Home2 Suites by Hilton in Plano, Texas. My youngest was celebrating her birthday and wanted a sleepover, and one of the easiest ways to do that is to have it at a hotel for minimal cleanup. They are pet friendly, and here's a nice dog park out back for your additional family friend. Typical price range is from about $120 to $230. Obviously, that's gonna range from city to city, but this is in a decent price range. Keep in mind that is per night. But if you're interested in seeing what one of these would look like on the inside, just in case you need a extended stay hotel, take a look. So here's my review of Home2 Suites by Hilton. You walk in, the room is nice and bright. We did already sleep here overnight, so excuse the mess and anything that you see, because it is an after stay review. So as you can see, the bathroom is nice and clean, stocked with nice towels, upgraded new toilet. The bathrooms, nice and clean. When I stay at places, I really like super clean bathrooms. So when I see bathrooms that have a lot of mold and mildew, it's an instant turn off. So these hotel rooms are designed for kind of big families with longer stays. As you can see, it has a nice kitchenette here, microwave. They provide dishes, a full-size refrigerator, and in some of the drawers there are utensils for you to use for, longer stays, or if you're trying to save money on traveling and not have to eat out all the time. You can obviously buy some things and use them or microwave them here, make them here, and sink and dishwasher to be able to clean up after yourself. That actually has two nice areas where you can utilize the desk if need be. This actually rolls out and can be used as like a dining table. This particular unit has a sofa bed. This is actually a 2 to 3 person couch that just rolls out into a bed if you need extra room. We had a birthday party girls sleepover, so we definitely needed the room. This ottoman just goes to the couch. You have a nice full-size mirror here, just in case you needed to view yourself before leaving the hotel. This is a nice added feature. It is a huge heavyweight curtain, so if the people over here on this side want to continue sleeping and it's too bright, you can clearly pull this and it'll block out any light that you see. You have a TV and of course plenty of drawer space if you wanted to use it, if you're going to stay an extended time. Nice space up here where you can put anything, and 2 very nice size beds where if you have adults, you could easily sleep 2, or if you have a larger family, you can sleep with a couple of kids. This is the area to store your luggage, and one of the nice added features outside of the iron and ironing board is this area, this little curtain right here that you can pull so you don't have to see any of the mess that you may have or make or anything like that. And as you can see, it's just nice and big and spacious, and if you're traveling with your family, it is the perfect spot to bring your family where you can have plenty of space. You don't have to spend a ton of money on restaurants and eating out, and if need be, you can get any work done. Additionally, breakfast is included. There's a hot breakfast Downstairs, the times do vary, so you're going to want to check with your front desk on that. And actually, I think I'm going to go eat breakfast so we can see what that looks like. Goodness. Overall, I would recommend. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.